Hello, everyone, and welcome you all to another chapter of the MS Word tutorial. So now this is the time for our class project, and this is the class project one, where I'll be showing you guys how to add a watermark in the document. So first, I'll be showing you guys the steps, what all need to follow, and then we will move on to our Word document and we'll see how it's basically done. So now let's see the steps, what all we need to follow over here. So over here on my screen, as you guys can see, the name of the class project is add a watermark in the document. So well, I do have a description and an outcome which you guys can refer. But for me, I will directly go on to the steps that you need to follow. Step 1, create a new document. Step 2, go to the design tab. Step 3, go to the watermark menu. Step 4, select an image or write the text you want to use as watermark. Step 5, apply the changes. And step 6, save the file and upload it in our project panel. Okay, so this is that. Now let's move on to our Word document. Let's create one Word document and let's start working on that. So over here on my screen, as you guys can see, now I'm here in the home page of MS Word. So from here, let's create up a blank document. And as you guys can see over here, I do have my page. Okay. So the next thing after creating this is go to this design option. And from the design option, I will just go on to the watermark section. And over here, basically, I can select from all of these presets. Okay. But instead, what I'll do is I'll just come here. I will just go to custom watermark. And if you want a picture watermark, come here, go to picture watermark. Make sure to select a picture. Let's go to Bing image search and let's go with some animal. Okay, so let's come here. Otherwise, you can just go back and let's take a fruit. Okay, so from here, if I just take this particular design and if I just click on insert, here it will take a bit of time, but once this is done, let's click on apply right over here. And if you don't want it to wash out, make sure you turn out the washout and this is how it will look. Okay. But instead of a picture watermark, if you are going for a text watermark, first select the language from here. So I'll just go with English and in text, I will just write let's come here, let's select English. Over here, I will just write class project and I will just select the font. Let me come here and let me just go with this particular font. Let me choose a color and also I will just take the size as auto. Let's click on apply and this is how it will look. And once this is done, you can just close this thing out as well. Now, if you go to insert and if you want to insert up a blank image, if you just insert another blank image, this is how it will basically look like. Okay. So this is how you guys can work with all of this over here. As you guys can see, as many pages you create, you will have all of this watermark over here. So now let's go to the file option. From here, let's go to save as. Let's select the place where you want to save this file. Let's go to desktop. From here, I will just go to my resource file and I will name this one as CP1, which is class project 1. Click on save And this is done. I hope you guys to have understood this class on how to add a watermark inside your Word document. So I hope to see you all in the next class. And I will hope that you guys do this thing and basically submit it in our project panel. Take care, everyone. See you all in the next chapter.